Hello, reception class. I hope you're all good. Here is a video to support today's English lesson. For today's lesson, you will need a pencil, your two sound mats, and you need the sheet that's got the pictures of the different pets on, and your sheet which has my pet at the top. So if you just collect those and get those ready for me now, please. The little girl in the story, If I Had a Dinosaur, wants to have a dinosaur as a pet. Your challenge today is to have a little think. If you could have any animal, which animal would you like to have as a pet? Now, this could be a real animal, or it could be a magical one, or one that you could make up yourself. So there's a few examples to help you if you're a bit stuck for an idea. You could have a cat or a dog or a hamster or a parrot or a unicorn as a pet or a dragon or a rabbit. Or you might be able to think of an idea of your own. So just take a few minutes now to have a think. If you could have any pet, which one would you like to have? Then next up, reception class, after you have thought of the pet that you would like to have, I would like you on the sheet you can see here to draw a picture of that pet and to write a sentence about it. And if we just move on, here is one that I have done. So I have decided I would like to have a magical flying monkey. So I have drawn my monkey there and it has multicoloured rainbow wings. Then I've written some sentences about it. My sentences are, it can fly, it has rainbow wings, and it is cheeky. So when I have done my sentences, I have remembered a capital letter at the start of my sentence. I've got finger spaces in the middle and a full stop at the end. If you want to make writing your sentences a little bit easier, you could ask a grown-up to do magic lines for you. And magic lines are where we do a line for each of the words in the sentence. And if you want a little bit of a reminder about the things that you need to remember when you do a sentence, you can go on YouTube and have a little listen to this song before you do your writing. If you have a go at this activity today, reception class, then please send me photos of your work. I would love to see your brilliant sentences and to see which animal or magical creature you decide you would like to have as a pet. Bye, reception class.